Okay, now we're going to go over how to mobile order, which will save you a lot of time in restaurants. Lots of people don't do this, and I encourage you to do it because it saves you a lot of time. So, to get started, you're going to click on that plus sign with a circle around it, and a menu is going to pop up. And you're going to click on Order Food. That will take you to a list of restaurants that will start with the ones that are closest to where you are at that time. If you'll notice below those restaurants, there are 30-minute time windows. So you're going to choose the time that you want to pick up your food, not the time that it is now. And you'll be able to pick up anytime within that 30-minute window. And after you choose your time, you're going to go to the screen where you can choose what you want to order. This one's a fairly simple menu. You click on the corn dog, you click on one, you click add. More complex menus you can customize however you like. You can go back out and then add another one. You can add, now we're adding a beverage to this one, and then you're going to get the opportunity to go in and either modify your order or review your order right here. If you click on modify, it's going to take you out to make a change. Click on review order summary for the next step. You might get an error message like the one that's about to show up here. And if that happens, you just refresh and keep going. And then you're going to be at the checkout screen. And once you get there, obviously you just enter your information. You can put in a gift card, credit card, anything you want there that is accepted. And then you're going to hit submit or purchase, and that completes that step. Next, you're going to go to a page that tells you when you're ready to pick up your order. We recommend that, and let me also note that you can change your arrival window or cancel your order at this point. We recommend clicking that I'm here, prepare my order button before you go to the restaurant. They're preparing your food fresh and you want to get there and have it be ready when you're there so you don't have to wait too long. So when you're walking to the restaurant, click on that button so that when you get there, your order is already ready. Once your order is ready, you're going to get this next screen. Well, this screen is going to show you the progress. Then you're going to get a screen that says your order is ready. When you get this next screen, you're going to take that to the cast member at the entrance of the restaurant and show them that your order's ready. They're going to direct you to the mobile order pickup window that you're supposed to go to. You're going to show them that order number. They're going to give you your food, and you will have bypassed all the people who are waiting in line who didn't have to be.